So here we are then, a 2015 Renault Megane with a daytime running light problem. The daytime running light on this side does not work. I've checked the fuses. The fuses are under the hood, just next to the battery. They're inverted. The fuses are fine, but the daytime running light needs changing. Easy job, and you do not need to remove the bumper. You start by removing the trim around the lower part of the airtake grille, and that should facilitate the removal of this panel here, just like so, to remove the plastic surround which fits around the light. The light's held in with 3 8mm headed screws. Actually, they're not 8mm, they are 7mm, and there are 3 of them. One at the top and 2 at the bottom. And finally the third one. 3. The light pulls forward, so the clip itself is held in with a blue locking pin which should be squeezed up and out, and then pressing the tab and remove the clip. So that's our daytime running light off the car. We now get the new daytime running light, which should be the same as the old one. And we pop this one in place and push the clip down to lock it in place. So the blue clip is now pushed home, and there are locators for the light to sit in its position. So I'll simply replace 3 7mm studs. It's just hand tight, and that's about all there is to it really. Simplest task to replace the daytime running light. I shall test that by turning the car on. That should be on. Yep, that's perfect. Fantastic. And finally, replace the bezel. It's important that we get these 2 locating plugs on at the back first, so they slide into position first, and the rest of this panel should just simply drop into place, providing all the teeth are located properly. And that's it. This strip gets fixed back down, and there we have it. Simple as that.